Hi, today I'm reviewing Samsung Galaxy M04 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. To do that, we should first open the Muviz Edge application and select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Click to apply this tab. To change background, slide to the up or to the down, swipe with your finger. Tap to apply. To change music control settings, just to hide them after 10 seconds, or just to turn to hide them, slide to the left or to the right side this dot. To show notifications and date, tap on the switcher to activate or turn off this option. To show data battery status always while charging or never, select one from these available options. Click to the X icon, switch AD to the settings, tap to always on display. Here we'll see switcher on the right upper corner to activate or turn off the AUD option. Also, we can turn on or turn off the AUD just to use it always while device charging. On music mode, we can use these two options separately. Also, we can decrease and increase the brightness level, to switch screen timeout, to change their orientation, to close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen. If you use fingerprint unlock, just to close it with a fingerprint or on screen off. To set the shadow, the start the end time, to turn on and turn off the pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AD option on our Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.